Oh, hi, Jon DeCurtins here with ERA Real Solutions Realty, and welcome to the 19th green at Legendary Run, a lifestyle community where our latest listing is located. If you'd like to take a look, come on in and follow me. 909 East Legendary Run is located just 25 minutes to downtown, 10 minutes to Anderson Township, and most importantly, a 2-minute walk to the driving range. The open concept ranch design allows for the kitchen to flow right into the vaulted great room, where window-lined walls infuse natural light throughout the day. Enjoy the convenience of the study and 3 beds all being on the first floor. The recently topped driveway leads into the side entry garage, where you'll have plenty of room to store the golf cart or work on home projects. Thanks for taking a look online at our latest listing, 909 East Legendary Run. If you're looking to get away from the daily hustle and bustle of life, give me a call and I'd be more than happy to schedule a private tour. Thank you.